Hi, beautiful people. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys about why you should forgive people and how you can forgive people and why it is necessary to forgive someone, and that is best for your own good. Seriously. So, when you are in a state of not forgiving someone, you are in a state of grief, sorrow, sadness, any kind of negative vibrational state, any kind of negative emotion that you are in, that is not good for your manifestations. You will not be able to manifest your deepest desires or whatever you desire in your physical reality. All right. So, this is why it is really necessary to forgive your closest people. Why I'm emphasizing on closest people, because it is not always obvious that shaitan, jinn, possess someone in a form of paranormal activity. That is really obvious. You also can identify someone is possessed by their narcissistic behavior. Okay, so if someone is your closest family member and they have no empathy, then it means they are possessed. And this is why shaitan doesn't want you to forgive someone, because then you will be in a lower vibrational state. Okay, you will not be able to forgive your closest family members or your partner, cousin, friend, whoever it was who did wrong to you. So this is really necessary to understand why Allah also have said that you should keep forgiving people. And now what I mean by forgiving people, it doesn't mean you should not maintain healthy boundaries. Okay, so maintaining healthy boundaries is also really necessary. And meanwhile, when you are not in contact with someone currently, or you have done your own work and they are still acting the same way, you just have to maintain your boundaries, your distance, and you have to keep forgiving people. This is how this all is possible. All right, so I hope this video helped you, and I will explain you more if you guys are unable to forgive someone and you need guidance in specific area like how to heal this. Then just comment down below, and if you want me to have you in the one-on-one coaching session, then also you can contact me. I'll be really happy to help you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.